Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on capacity. Capacity is very closely linked to volume. The capacity of a container tells us how much liquid that container will hold. The liquid can be water, soft drink, fuel, etc. The larger the volume, the greater the capacity of the container. Linking volume and capacity. While volume and capacity are not the same, they can be linked. Now, 1 cubic centimetre holds 1 millilitre. That's of liquid. So ml is the shortened form of millilitre, and that's how you write the word. 1,000 cubic centimetres holds 1 litre. There's the word litre. This means that 1,000 millilitres is equal to 1 litre. So there are 1,000 millilitres in a litre. So, what can we say about 1 kilolitre? KL is kilolitre. Since kilo means 1,000, we have 1 kilolitre equals 1,000 litres. Furthermore, 1 cubic metre holds 1,000 litres. So a volume of 1 cubic metre holds 1,000 litres of liquid. Let's look at some examples. Find the volume of the following container. How much water can it hold? So this is like a rectangular prism. Just pretend it's a rectangular prism and it's a container. 20 centimetres long, 10 centimetres wide and 15 centimetres high. So the volume of the container, you multiply those three measurements together, and that gives you 3,000 cubic centimetres. So the capacity is 3 litres, because we saw on the previous slide that 1,000 cubic centimetres was equal to 1 litre. So that container on the previous page has a capacity of 3 litres. What is the capacity of the container below? So with this container we can divide it into two separate parts. So when we find the two separate volumes and add them together, that gives us the volume of the whole container. So we have that part there, which is a rectangular prism, and we have that part there, which is also a rectangular prism. So let's find the volume. So the volume will be 16 centimetres by 5 centimetres by 6 centimetres. That gives us that part. So that part there, that will give us the volume there. Now this part here, now we know it's 16 centimetres high, so that's that part. The 8 centimetres, now here we have 16 centimetres and here we have 24, so from there to there, that section there, which is the same as this one, that will be 8. Okay, so from there to there is 8, and along there is 5. Sorry, it's 6. See the 6 here? That 6 there gives us the same length. So that one there and that one there, since they're the same, they're both 6. So the volume of this section here will be 16 centimetres by 8 centimetres by 6 centimetres. So that gives you that volume there. So they're the two separate parts, this one and that one. So the top part, when we work that out, is 480 cubic centimetres. That section there is 768 cubic centimetres. When you add those together, you have 1,248 cubic centimetres. If we divide that by 1,000, that gives us 1.248 litres. So that's the capacity of that particular container. So this video has introduced the idea of capacity. We've seen that volume and capacity are not exactly the same, but they are linked. And when you know the volume of a container, you can work out its capacity.